Hello folks, and welcome for another video from Infinitive Passive Income. So today I will show you how you can increase your KDP sales which allow competition niche without drawing scales and just using a free software. So if you see this channel for the first time and you want to see daily videos about affiliate marketing reviews and branch and demand, what you waiting for? Smash the subscribe button now and don't forget to give the video a like for the algorithm. Imagine creating as many pirates designs as you want in minutes, drag and drop using just PowerPoint. So today I will show you drag and drop pirates in costumes. With pirates in costumes, drag and drop, you can design your own beautiful pirates in costumes, drag and drop using just free software in minutes without any drawing scales. No Photoshop, only PowerPoint needed. Drag and drop 100% beginner friendly. Create your own unique pirates by simply dragging and dropping plus 118 pre-made components. Get 30 done for you pirates designs, get plus 118 drag and drop components with commercial license included. So now I will show you how you can use this component just using PowerPoint. For example, you can use this element with this one, so you can use any components here from all those and use it with any component you choose. The main idea is you can make hundreds of different characters just using PowerPoint, and you can make those designs in just seconds. Also, the pirate niche doesn't have much competition, so you have a big chance making a lot of sales with this niche. You will find pirates and costumes in the description below with commercial lessons included. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you like this video, give it a like and see you in the next one.